The body of an unidentified male was recovered from the construction site of the boys' hostel at Narsingarh Law College. Upon receiving notification of the incident, law enforcement personnel promptly arrived at the scene to secure the area. The body has since been transported to the hospital for a post-mortem examination. On Thursday, the body of a male was found hanging at the Narsingarh Law College boys' hostel construction site, an area undergoing long-term government development alongside the Narsingarh Mental Hospital. Following the incident, local residents raised serious concerns regarding severe level law violations by the contractor, citing a critical lack of mandatory safety infrastructure. Additionally, lapses in statutory security protocols were reported, specifically the failure to verify the identities and police records of migrant laborers. A formal investigation into the death and the alleged regulatory non-compliance is currently underway. Pure Report, Chini Khorang.